Varanasi is all decked up ahead of Prime Minister's visit on Monday. He's going to be inaugurating Kashi Vishwanath Temple Corridor in his home constituency. It's an 800 crore rupees project. It will allow pilgrims to have direct access to River Ganga from temple. BJP has planned month-long celebrations to mark the inauguration. LED screens will be put up in the temples, ashrams, religious organizations, villages across Uttar Pradesh for people to view the event. The UP government will distribute sweets to 8 lakh family members in Varanasi. A booklet will also be distributed along with the sweets highlighting spiritual importance of Kashi Vishwanath Temple. Union Home Minister Amit Shah yesterday said that we will see renovation of Kashi Vishwanath Temple that was destroyed in the era of Aurangzeb at the hands of Modi ji tomorrow while speaking at an event in Gujarat. He also added that Hindu centers of faith were left humiliated for years, but Modi government is working tirelessly to restore them.
મોદીજીના નેતૃત્વમાં મોદીજીએ ભૂલાયેલા આપણા શ્રદ્ધા કેન્દ્રોના જીર્ણોદ્ધારનું કામ ભય વગર અને શ્રદ્ધા સાથે સન્માન સાથે કરવાનું કામ. ઔરંગઝેબના જમાનામાં ક્ષત વિસત થયેલું કાશી વિશ્વનાથનું મંદિર એનો પણ પૂર્ણોદ્ધાર 13મી તારીખે 2 દિવસ પછી નરેન્દ્રભાઈના હાથે કાશી વિશ્વનાથનો ભવ્ય પુનરુદ્ધાર જોવા મળશે.
All-out credit war erupts between Samajwadi Party versus BJP in Purvanchal ahead of UP Assembly polls after inauguration of Saryu Nahar water canal in Balrampur. Prime Minister tore into opposition, saying they just fight for credits, while Samajwadi Party claims that the Saffron Party just took over the projects initiated by them.
It was the return of the Prime Minister to Purvanchal. His 4th visit to the crucial Uttar Pradesh region in the last 2 months. With less than 3 months to go for the all-important assembly elections, Purvanchal power play is in top gear. Prime Minister Modi's first pit stop was Balrampur, where he inaugurated the Saryu Nahar National Project and launched a blistering attack on the opposition for delaying the project.
सरकारी पैसे हैं तो मुझे क्या, मेरा क्या, ये सोच देश के संतुलित और संपूर्ण विकास में सबसे बड़ी रुकावट बन गई है. इसी सोच ने सरयू नहर परियोजना को लटकाया भी भटकाया भी.
He taunted the previous Akhilesh and Mayawati governments for trying to claim credit for the project.
मैं इंतजार कर रहा था कि कब कोई आएगा कहेगा कि मोदी जी इस योजना का फीता तो हमने काटा था. कुछ लोगों की प्राथमिकता फीता काटना है, हम लोगों की प्राथमिकता योजनाओं को समय पर पूरा करना है.
And hailed the Yogi government for completing the project in record time.
सरयू नहर परियोजना में जितना काम 5 दशक में हो पाया था, उससे ज्यादा काम हमने 5 साल से पहले करके दिखाया है. यही तो डबल इंजन की सरकार है.
As expected, this led to a war of words, with Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav claiming that most of the work on the project was done under his government.
जो अभी तक विकास के कार्यों का उद्घाटन हुआ है, उसमें बड़े पैमाने पर समाजवादी सरकार का योगदान है. समाजवादी सरकार में वो कार्य आगे बढ़ाए गए. तो वर्षों से सरयू परियोजना रुकी हुई थी, अगर उस परियोजना को आगे बढ़ाने का काम अगर किसी सरकार में हुआ है तो समाजवादी सरकार में 12 से 17, और इसके साथ साथ राप्ती परियोजना को भी आगे बढ़ाने का काम समाजवादी सरकार में हुआ.
Saryu Nahar National Project will ensure irrigation water to over 29 lakh farmers in eastern Uttar Pradesh, and both Prime Minister Modi and Chief Minister Yogi made a big pitch to reach out to farmers.
अपने अन्नदाता किसानों के सम्मान की रक्षा करने और उनकी आमदनी को आपकी भावना के अनुरूप दोगुना करने के इस कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए उत्तर प्रदेश प्रदेश सरकार पूरी प्रतिबद्धता के साथ कार्य कर रही है।
जीता जात है, फायदा है, नुकसान कोनो नहीं है। अब जहाँ पानी कट गया ना कबो कबो तहाँ नुकसान होता है।
The Prime Minister will next head to his home constituency of Varanasi on Monday, unveiling the renovated and redesigned Kashi Vishwanath Dham. The grand ceremony will be live streamed at 51,000 different locations across the country. Prime Minister Modi is expected to stay in Varanasi the next day as well. Prime Minister Modi will also hold a rally in Shahjahanpur on December 18.
एक ऐतिहासिक क्षण होगा। विकास की दिशा से, क्षेत्रीय आर्थिक असंतुलन को दूर करने की दिशा से, उत्तर प्रदेश की अर्थव्यवस्था को नई ऊंचाइयों तक पहुंचाने की दिशा से भी, रोजगार सृजन की दिशा से भी और प्रति व्यक्ति आय को बढ़ाने की दिशा से भी बहुत महत्वपूर्ण साबित होगा।
Prime Minister Modi's visit comes after he unveiled 9 medical colleges, Purvanchal Expressway and Jewar Airport in Noida last month. It is clear that the BJP is pushing its Vikas pitch in a massive way ahead of the UP polls. With Abhishek Mishra in Balrampur, Bureau Report, India Today.